Hello, Brittney here. I wanted to just check in with you guys and share a little bit about my herbal class for beginners with my top 10, sometimes I throw in 11 or 12 herbs in your medicine cabinet. So if you are thinking, is this the class for me? I would say yes to that. If you are confused when you go into big herbal retail stores and you're like, what is an extract? What really is an herbal oil? How do I take this? Where am I going to get my best bang for my buck? These are the things that I love to go over, show you how to actually look at a label and know what you're getting, how much herbal remedy you're actually getting, and actually how to make proper teas that are going to be therapeutic. Because you know, all of you guys are spending tons of money on herbal supplements and all of these things, even if it's on the Amazon. And are you getting the best for your buck? So these are the fun things that I like to support our community and really learning about how to use herbs in the proper way and the most therapeutic way. People don't even know that sometimes some herbs aren't really great in the dried form, and maybe an herbal tincture, because it's made fresh, is going to have a lot more therapeutic benefit, like the website said. So these are some fun things, plus my top 10, maybe 11 herbs. And if you come in class, I love to share some teas with you and some yummy tasty things, but I do have it live streamed too. So if you can't make it, you get all the handouts and all the information, and you get a 7-day recording. So if you think this might be for you, it is coming up, and I hope you join us. We always have a fun time, and we have a wonderful community at Desert Sage Herbs. Looking forward to seeing you all. Bye-bye.